baby was really awesome.
Oh, yeah.
He can probably beat Superman.
Shut up. Boy, he sure is my hero.
And I'll take a giant spicy fries, giant vanilla frosty, and cherry pie.
A junior chunky burger, curly fries, and a large chocolate frosty, please.
I'll have a chunky garden salad, ginger soda, and a lemon pie.
Well, here I am with the girl of my dreams, Sunny Funny. Boy, she sure is beautiful today.
Next, please.
Water.
Here it is.
You gotta do what?
I gotta believe.
Yeah. Well, what do we have here? Plenty of munchies for everyone, right?
Yeah.
Not only munchies, but a little bag, all dressed up for us. Ain't that right?
Right.
What do you say? How about if you and I go for a little walk outside, huh? Let the punks stay and eat their food.
Stop it!
There's no need to fear. Because Joe Chin is here.
Hey, it's Joe.
I have traveled the 7 seas. I have crossed every mountain known to man. And I know that the mighty powers that I have are enough for jerks like you. I shall put on my magic gloves of glory and shall take you on a cruise to destroy all of you. Now, let me tell you of this one incident at this coffee shop where there were 4 jerks instead of 2.
Oh, here we go again.
Let's go.
Bye now.
Bye.
Wow. I need to become a hero, too. But how could I possibly do that? Yeah, I know. I gotta believe.
welcome to the Fruits Dojo. I trust that you are here to redeem yourself and to acquire skills that are necessary for your goals. Are you ready, young one? I shall give you my best. But first, let's see if you can challenge my right. Kick, punch, it's all in the mind. If you wanna test me, I'm sure you'll find the things I'll teach ya. Sure to beat ya. Nevertheless, you'll get a lesson from teacher. Now kick,
Kick, kick,
punch,
punch, punch,
jump,
chop, chop,
block.
block,
Once
block,
more now, kick,
kick, kick,
punch,
punch, punch,
jump,
chop, chop,
and block.
block, block,
Don't get cocky, it's gonna get rocky. We're gonna move down to the next jockey. Now duck,
duck, duck,
jump,
jump, jump,
turn,
turn, turn,
pause. Listen carefully, jump,
jump, jump,
pause,
hold, hold,
duck,
duck, duck,
and turn.
turn.
Yeah, I see you're getting better. Kick to the limit in order to get her now. Kick, punch,
Kick, punch, kick, punch,
just because we're almost done. I'll make it easier first. I wanna see if you wanna see what it means to be the man with a master plan. Are you the man now? Here we go now. Kick, punch, block.
Kick, punch, block, kick, punch,
Chop, kick, block.
chop, kick, block, block, block,
Block, duck, and kick it.
block, kick, turn, turn,
Block, duck, punch.
block, duck, punch, punch, punch,
Duck, duck, turn.
duck, duck, turn, turn, turn,
Jump, kick, chop.
jump, kick, chop, chop, chop,
And punch, punch, punch.
punch, 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 punch.
That's it for today. Good job, Parappa. You can go on to the next stage now.
Yahoo! All right.
Now, the end of my simple introduction. Put up your fists, you evil crusaders. Let me knock you out.
It's a great day today. So what do you guys want to do?
Let's go down to the beach.
Okay, sounds cool.
Don't we need a car to get anywhere?
Yeah, and a license too.
Whoa! Check that out. That's the new Super Stretch Limo 900.
Yeah, the maximum speed is tuned up to 463,200.
And vinyl Panther seats too.
Hi. How do you like my new car, guys?
Man, it's fat.
The color is awesome too.
Not only that, it's a convertible. And it is capable of leaping tall buildings in a single bound. Would you girls like to go to the beach with me?
Sure. Only if all of us can go.
Of course, of course. Come on, girls, sit up front with me. You guys can sit in the back. Everybody, hold on.
If I only had a car and a license, I could take Sonny anywhere. How can I do that? Yeah, I know. I gotta believe.
You want to learn how to drive, huh? It's harder than you think it is. If you think you can handle it, try this rap. All right, we're here, just sitting in the car. I want you to show me if you can get far. Step on the gas.
Step on the gas, gas, gas.
Step on the brakes.
Step on the brakes, brakes, brakes.
Now step on the gas.
Step on the gas, gas, gas.
When I say boom, 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 you say bam, bam, bam. No pause in between. Come on, let's jam. Step on the gas.
Step on the gas.
Step on the brakes.
Step on the brake, brake.
Step on the brakes.
Step on the brake, brake.
Step on the gas.
Step on the gas,
I'm
gas.
glad you know which way to go, but it ain't gonna stop me. Here we go. Check and turn the signals to the right.
Check and turn the signal to the right, right.
Now turn to the right.
Now turn to the right, right.
Check and turn the signals to the left.
Check and turn the signal to the left, left.
Now turn to the left.
Now turn to the left, left.
Whoa, ho, ho, ho! Stop the car. We got an emergency, can't you see? Do you know why we stopped the car?
Do I know why we stopped the car?
Yes.
Yes. What? What?
Do you know why we stopped the car?
Do I know why we stopped the car?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
What?
I forgot turn to the right.
Step on the gas, now turn to the right, right.
Check and turn the signal to the left.
Check and turn the signal to the left, left.
Step on the gas, now turn to the left.
Step on the gas, now turn to the left, left.
Step on the brakes.
Step on the brakes.
Do you know why we stopped the car again?
Do I know why we stopped the car? Yeah.
That's because you just got your license.
Woo-hoo! Yes!
Parappa! Hey, Parappa! Where are you going with my car? You've only had that license 10 minutes!
Hi.
More fries.
You know, this is really a lot of fun. Wouldn't it be nice if we could keep driving and go someplace far, far away?
Cool. Oh no. I can't believe it. My dad's gonna bite me.
Oh, Parappa, I still have 59 more monthly installments to pay. What am I going to tell your mother? I hope you're ready to pay for everything.
I'm in trouble now. How am I gonna pay for this car? How can I do that? Yeah, I know. I gotta believe.
So you want to sell goods at this flea market, eh? You're a new boy, aren't you? I'll tell you right now, the most important thing in selling goods here is not money, it's love. So if you want to sell goods here, come stand next to me. Follow me up. Right. Women. I'm working in the flea market so early. I've been working here since my mama was a baby. Just because the rhythm is slow, that don't mean that you can't flow. In the rain or in the snow,
In the rain or in the snow.
got the funky flow.
Got the funky flow.
In the rain or in the snow,
In the rain or in the snow.
got the funky flow.
Got the funky flow.
All you ever need is to be nice and friendly.
All you ever need is to be nice and friendly.
All you ever need is to be nice and friendly.
All you ever need is to be nice and friendly.
Remember, strike it rich, the key is love. Save everybody from way up above. I can sell a bottle cap like this.
I will try to sell a cap like this.
I can sell a bottle cap like this.
I will try to sell a cap like this.
I never dream it would be like this. I am the #1 ruler of the 7 seas. The skunk over here will bring you luck.
The skunk over here will bring you luck.
The pump over here comes with the truck.
The pump over here comes with the truck.
Oh yes, I had a lot of fun. I made a lot of bucks and now I'm on the run. In the rain or in the snow,
In the rain or in the snow.
Got the funky flow.
Got that funky flow.
In the rain or in the snow.
In the rain or in the snow.
Got the funky flow.
Got that funky flow.
Let me tell you something that I never told you before. Listen this. I have never sold everything.
I have never sold everything.
You have never sold everything.
You have never sold everything.
Money is all you need.
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 Your papa's gonna be very proud of you. Let me know if you have another flea market. I will help you, or you will help me.
You got that right, teacher. Thanks a lot.
It's Sunny's birthday tomorrow, and for the party, we need someone to get a present, we need someone to buy a cake, and someone to set up.
Uh-huh. And how should we decide?
Well, how about John King?
Good idea.
Ready?
John, Ken, Paul.
Yay! I won! I'll be the setup producer.
All right, let's continue. John, Ken, Paul. Oops, one more time. John, Ken, Paul.
I won. I'll get the present.
And that means you have to get the cake, Parappa.
Okay.
All right, everybody. Let's all do our jobs and get ready for tomorrow.
Right on.
Hiya, Parappa. Tomorrow's the big day, isn't it? You want to see the cake that I got for Sunny? Look. The first floor represents the foundation of Sunny and I. A long relationship between a boy and a girl all depends on the foundation, you know. The second floor represents beauty. Being beautiful as she is,
Sunny deserves all the rights to the word beauty. The 40th floor represents the obstacles that we must face. The 40th floor represents the obstacles that we must face. And the 41st floor is just to keep our
awesome relationship. The 42nd floor represents all the sights and sounds that Sunny and I will be experiencing in our glorious future. Well, enough for now. I shall explain everything in better detail tomorrow. See ya.
Expect to do without a cake? A birthday party without a cake is like a dance floor without me. Do you understand that?
What should I do? I'm in trouble now. What should I do? I'm almost out of money, and I need a cake. Cheap. Yeah, I know. I've got to believe.
Welcome to Cheap Cheap, the cooking chicken show. Today's dish will be seafood cake, guaranteed to catch her heart. And now, here she is.
Every single day, stress comes in every way. I ain't got no time for nobody. My style is rich, dope, fat, and rich. We'll make a cake today that looks rich. Crack, crack, crack the egg into the bowl.
Crack, crack, crack the egg into the bowl.
M-I-X the flour into the bowl.
M-I-X the flour into the bowl.
Crack, crack, crack the egg into the bowl.
Crack, crack, crack the egg into the bowl.
M-I-X the flour into the bowl.
M-I-X the flour out into the bowl.
Baking a cake, yes, means you gotta try. I'm doing this for years, but don't ask me why. Butter, butter, butter joins the bowl.
Butter, butter, butter joins the bowl.
We're making us a cake that you've never seen before.
We're making us a cake that never seen before.
Heat up the oven, now we're on a roll.
Heat up the oven, now we on the roll.
Cheap, cheap, cheap's the name of my soul.
Cheap, cheap, cheap's the name of your soul.
The other day, I was called a little turkey, but I'm a chicken, got it? Your beef jerky. Put the cake in the oven for a while.
Put the cake in the oven for a while.
Leave it there, come on, clean the pile.
Leave it there, come on, clean the pile.
Put the cake in the oven for a while.
Put the cake in the oven for a while.
Leave it there, come on, clean the pile.
Leave it, come on, clean pile.
Here, I got a little sample.
Here, I don't have a sample.
'Cause ample time's just what we don't have.
'Cause money and time's just what we don't have.
A chicken in the kitchen is making all the sound. The cake is done while we were sitting around. All we gotta do is apply the final touches.
All we gotta do is apply the final touches.
Take out the shrimp, the clam, and the perches.
Take out the shrimp, the clam, and the perches.
The
Perch goes here, the clam goes there.
The perch goes here, the clam goes there.
The little tiny shrimps just go everywhere.
The little tiny shrimps just go everywhere.
Whatever you like's in the middle, fiddle.
Whatever you like's in the middle, fiddle.
Seafood cake comes just like the riddle.
Seafood cake comes just like the riddle.
Okay, that wasn't so hard, was it?
No problem. But how'd you get out the TV? No, not now. I have to go to the bathroom.
Wow, Parappa looks so manly today. I've never seen him look this way before. Are you going to drive me home?
Of course.
I wanna let you know of my desire. Let it go. 'Cause I'm almost on fire. I wanna let you know of my desire. Let it go. I'm almost on fire. I see you a few times a day. You never do look my way.
My car tank is empty, but mine is full. I mean, I'm full of gas and not the car. No, the car needs gas, but Anyway, we have to find a gas station right now. Excuse me, this is an emergency. I need to go right now.
So do we.
Oh my, now what? What can we do?
Yeah, I know.
Let's rap for it.
That's a good idea.
Hurry up.
just bothers you? What I had this morning, I don't even wanna say to you. Kick, punch, turn, and chop the door.
Kick, punch, turn, and chop the door.
Or I will fall to the floor.
Or I will fall to the floor.
Kick, punch, turn, and chop the door.
Kick, punch, turn, and chop the door.
Or I will fall to the floor.
Or I will fall to the floor.
No way. I've been sitting in my car, yes, now for days. Did you check the toilets on the right?
Did you check the toilets on the right?
Did you check the toilets on the left?
Did you check the toilets on the left?
Did you check the toilets on the right?
Did you check the toilets on the right?
Did you check the toilets on the left?
Did you check the toilets on the left?
Okay, you win.
Ribbit, I can't hold it. Last toilet with me up, me already sold it. In the rain or in the snow, I got the funky flow, but now I really got to go.
In the rain or in the snow, you got a funky flow, but now you really gotta go.
The toilet over there will bring you luck, so give up, I got no time to spare.
The toilet over there will bring luck, so give up, I got no time to spare.
In the rain or in the snow, I got the funky flow, but now I really got to go.
In the rain or in the snow, you got a funky flow, but now you really gotta go.
The toilet over there will bring you luck, so give up, I got no time to spare.
The toilet over there will bring luck, so give up, I got no time to spare.
I'm me losing up, I'm out of here.
Walk the walk, even if you can't just talk the talk. I got a call. I am a chicken from the kitchen, and I ain't kidding, although nothing is written.
You are a chicken from the kitchen, and you ain't kidding, although nothing is written.
Crack, break, fix the door, you know. I gotta go, so yes, open up, you know.
Crack, break, fix the door, you know. I gotta go, so yes, open up, you know.
I am a chicken from the kitchen, and I ain't kidding, although nothing is written.
You are a chicken from the kitchen, and you ain't kidding, although nothing is written.
Crack, break, fix the door, you know. I gotta go, so yes, open up, you know.
Crack, break, fix the door, you know. I gotta go, so yes, open up, you know.
It's all yours.
This is life. Sonny, sorry to keep you waiting. I'll drive you home now.
He's the same old Parappa again. Oh well.
We can go almost anywhere. You and I, my friend, and I know fun is all that we will share. Oh yes, we can fly almost anywhere to a special place we can find, just you and I. Wish you knew just how very much that I care for you, and though things aren't always what they seem, it's just you and me, my friend and me. Oh, you try so hard just to please this girl that you provide. And I really do believe this is where we should be.
moving out there? You feeling good? We're gonna put on a show out there for everybody. Check this out. Somebody say ho! Ho! Say ho, 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 ho. Say ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Scream! Say ho! Ho! Say ho, 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 ho. Say ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Scream!
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be Dean.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be me.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be
You
Dean.
gotta do what? You gotta do what?
I gotta believe.
Hey, yo, everybody, just check out the way I live, everybody.
Yo, everybody. Time to be waiting for his party.
Uh-oh, here comes the dude, and now he's running up and down the street with the Jews.
Sonny's my life, like a dice gun. I can't tell which way turns the light fight.
Whatever trouble he's in, he just gets up and begins. It ain't no problem for the man.
But I went through it like that because I want it like that. No other different is the fact.
You gotta do what?
I gotta be Dean.
You sure about that?
I gotta be me.
You gotta do what?
I gotta be Dean.
But most important,
I gotta believe.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be Dean.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta believe.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be
You
Dean.
gotta do what? You gotta do what?
I gotta believe.
H to the E to the R to the O, and here comes your hero, huh? Here we go.
P to the A to the R to the to rappers the names I rap every day.
Now it's time for the rough fat night, and let's all pump up the night.
Waking out was the name of the day. For me, you, and you.
What's his name? He grew up in this town. Check this out, come on and bring it down.
Chick on top, I got the hooky flow. M-I-X, the flow into ball.
You gotta do what?
I gotta be Dean.
You sure about that?
I gotta believe.
You gotta do what?
I gotta be Dean.
But most important,
I gotta believe.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be Dean.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta believe.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be
You
Dean.
gotta do what? You gotta do what?
I gotta believe.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be Dean.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta believe.
What you gonna do when they come?
I gotta be
You
Dean.
gotta do what? You got that right. You gotta do what?
Somebody ho. Say ho, ho. Say ho, 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 ho. Now say, everybody say ho. Say now ho, ho. Say ho, ho, ho.
Thank you, everybody. And don't forget, you gotta believe. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
As I walk the streets, packing horses and cases and everything in it. Is it that I must always be ready for any action, precaution, or junction, revolution, or constipation? So check it out, so dig it out. I ain't got no doubt, so what's the fuss about? I need you, I want you, where in the world are ya? SOS, come to my rescue. I I wanna let you know of my desire. Let it go. I'm almost on fire. I wanna let you know of my desire. Let it go. I'm almost on fire. I see you a few times a day. You never do look my way. You're always cold, you never underestimate me, never respect me. I wish I had some money so you could see me. Flip, flap, stop, and you don't bend. Why do you always scream and shout at me at the end? I hope we're getting closer and closer and nearer, or else I'll explode like I told ya. I wanna let you